Welcome back mga tropa. Nandito tayo sa mga Cabanatuan City. Biscay 2025.
Good evening, everyone. This is Daryl Salvador Martinez, 21 years of existence, and I believe in saying that being unique is better than being perfect. Representing from Barangay Bangad, Purok, L.O.
Thank you so much.
Our candidate number 2, Biscay Bangad 2025, Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija. She's wearing her national costume.
Evening, people of Bangad. Standing here in front of you is a lady who's brave enough to face this beautiful and senior crowd. My name is Christian Moranyo Ring, 16 years old stunner, +2, +3, hailing all the way from Barangay Campotinho,
21.
kung saan nagmula ang tunay na maganda. Aanhin ko naman po ang aking kagandahan kung hindi ko po matitikman ang inyong kapital.
Thank you so much, candidate number 2. And now please welcome candidate number 3.
Our candidate number
True beauty knows no shade. It is in confidence, compassion, and courage. Nasa inyong harapan ang kandidatang handa ng lumaban. Kahit iman ay hindi hadlang sa tinatangi kong kagandahan. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Bridget Stones, ang ganda-gandahan. And I am proud advocate of inclusivity, self-love, and representation, encouraging everyone to embrace their natural color with pride. Maraming salamat.
Dito pala si Nakalo. Ayan, hello. Kuya JR TV. Hello.
Announcement po sa ating bayang po natin. Please,
Ayan, si Kelsey.
please.
From Camp Tintin.
Hindi po na kayo kung matapos dito ang lista.
Sir Kevin is here.
But sa mga audience po natin, please po, pasanin po na natin.
I don't mind traveling for almost 30 minutes just to see the beautiful people of Barangay Bangad. Kaya naman, wala bang palakpakan dyan? Wala bang masigabong hiyawan dyan? Wala ho bang pwedeng jowain dyan? Joke lamang po. Many has been part of history, but only few can bend history itself. On this night's spectacle and this public display, we transgender women bend history, and that's forever our story. Good evening to each and everyone. A girl in front of your eyes is a fresh, young, single and virgin 20 years old stunner, all the way from the rice Granary of the Philippines, Santa Rosa, province of Nueva Ecija. I am graduate taking the course of Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, and proud and humble, your first ever transgender women who gained cum laude at Pinma Arroyo University. This is Anne Jacob in real life, but tonight this is a pageant. Allow me to carry the image of your one and only, one of the most prettiest artists here in the Philippines. Ang babaeng news sa inyo ng inabangan sa palabas na Encantadia at pinaguriang Sangre Danaya. Bakit hindi mo sabay-sabay palakpakan at iyawan ang inyong nag-iisang Miss Sania Lopez? Miss Sania Lopez na nag-iiwan ng isang kataga, aanhin ko ho ang ganitong pagandahan at ka-sexy katawan. Kung hindi ko naman matitikman ang inyong kapitan. Asan ka? Baka naman. Joke lamang po. Once again, this is Miss Anne Jacob saying, judges, take a sit back, relax, cause it's showtime.
Thank you so much, candidate.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, people of Barangay Bangad, or I should say, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. My name is simply Mika Sitangco, 19 years of age, hailing all the way from the beautiful city. Nagmula pa po sa Kaban ng Tuwa at Ani, Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija. But tonight, since this is a pageant, please do allow me to stand and use the beautiful image of your one and only. Ang babaeng ating sinusubaybayan sa teleserye ang prinsesa ng City Jail, bilang si Divina. Opo, tama po. Ako nga po. Bakit hindi po natin sabay-sabay na palakpakan at hiyawan? Bini-bini, Denise Loren. Na nagsasabi, hindi ko man po natikman ang inyong kapitan. Kelsey, baka naman.
Thank you so much, candidate. Now
Hi! Hello! Alam mo ba, mahal ko na, wala ka na magagawa, mahal mo na. But I died, but I died. Charot. Now, I got your attention. The physical attributes of a person will time will change, but the goodness and dreams of a heart will last for a lifetime. Good evening, people of Barangay Bangad, especially to the Board of Judges. Good evening. This is Mr. Aaron Chiwal Dela Rosa in real life,
all the way from Barangay Calikid Norte, City of Cabanatuan, a fresh, a 24 years to learn. Mom, sir, since this is a pageant, please do allow me to capture the image of Miss Carla Abellana, na nagsasabi po at nag-iiwan ng kasabihan, ba't lamang po kami sa inyong paningin? Bakit hindi niyo po kami subukang mahalin? At pag hindi po kayo nabigay sa aming piling, sa kanila naman po kami limutin. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Caroline.
Candidate number 7 dito sa Miss Gay Bangad 2025.
Magandang gabi, Barangay Bangad. Kung kasalanan ng pag-ibong bakla, humihingi po ako ng kapatawaran. Ngunit kung ngiti at siya ang aming hatid, nais kong maaari po ba akong makahingi ng masigabong palakpakan? Maraming salamat po. Sa ating mundong ginagalawa, kailanman hindi naging pamantayan kung gaano ka kaganda at kung gaano ka kapangit. Hindi ka man binayaan ng sa iyong pisikal na kaanuan, huwag kang babahala, aking kaibigan. Dahil ang tunay na kagandahan, dahil ang tunay na timbangan ng kagandahan ay nasa kung gaano kabusilak ang iyong puso at kung gaano kalinis ang iyong konsensya. Kaya naman hayaan natin laitin na tayo ng iilan. Dahil bukas makalawa, gagamitin natin itong sandata upang harapin ang habon ng ating buhay. Kaya naman, what's up mga gays? I am Kirbina with a K. And K stands for kagandahan, kasarapan, at corona. I am 20 years old, candidate number 7. Ang babae niyo tonight, masarap all night, representing Bagong Sikat. At naniniwala sa isang kasabihan na kagandahan ay hindi naaayon sa panlabas na kaanuan. Dahil ito ay nakatayo sa inyong harapan.
Thank you so much, candidate numbers.
Tagal ah. Ulit. Perfect. Sa layo ng aking pinanggalingan, shit, ang baho ng mic. My name is Kevin Ortiz. Nagmula, syempre sa Cabanatuan. Nagmula sa Cabanatuan, Barangay Bakero, na nag-iiwan ng isang katagang wala man tayong pambiling bigas. Wow, ikakasahod mo na kay Umali. Meron namang piting matigas. Inay, itay, ate, kuya. Kayo. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 8.
Dito pa rin tayo sa ginaganap na Miss Gay Bangad 2025 sa Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija. And you're watching KJR TV. Don't forget to like and follow for more.
Hindi daw po yan. And first, 5.
That's the Carol Angels.
Ang Barangay Bangad, Cabanatuan City. Once again po, huwag niyo pong harangan yung daanan ng mga candidate, please. Thank you so much, candidate number 2. And next. Thank you so much, candidate number 4. And now please welcome candidate number 5. Miss Lavelle is from Camtinho, Cabanatuan City. Once again, give her a round of applause to candidate number 5. Thank you so much, candidate number 5. And now thank you so much, candidate number 6. And now please welcome candidate number 7 is Queen Pepin de la Cruz.
Sa Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija.
And she is also known as Kiana with a K. And she is from Bagong Sikat, Cabanatuan City. Once again, please give a round of applause to candidate number 7. Once again, she is candidate number 8. Thank you so much, candidate number 8. One. And she is Diana Salvatore with a height of 5 feet and 5 inches tall. And she loves watching movies and she wants to play volleyball. Once again, give her an applause to candidate number 1, Daryl Martinez. Alright, ooh la la. From Camtinho, Cabanatuan City. Krishna is with a height of 5 foot 7 inches tall. And she loves to dance. And of course, She loves to play volleyball. Once again, give a round of applause to candidate number 2, Krishna Maranya Orin.
She's so exceptional, she's super extraordinary. She's got the beauty, got the wit. She's hyper glamorous, absolutely fabulous. So sexy, super Serena.
Oh, yan. Napaka-sexy naman ni number 2.
Super Serena. She's so exceptional, she's super extraordinary. She's got the beauty, got the wit, got the talent, baby. She dazzle you, make you go ooh. She's sexy, so sexy. Super Serena, Super Serena,
Once again, she is candidate number 2. And now, please welcome
Imagination, life is your creation. also known as Tanya Lopez. And she is from Santa Rosa, Nueva Ecija. And she stands 5 feet 9 inches tall. She loves watching movies and reading books. Wow! Look at that. Wow! And she loves playing volleyball. Please welcome the sexy, gorgeous Anne Jacobe. Lolesa. Oh. Oh. Inilab
competition. Palakpakan naman daw po kay Janet, number 4. Ayan, tuwang-tuwa na ang mga kalalakihan. Number 6 inches tall. And she loves cooking. Her talent is singing, dancing, and painting. Sa mga lalaki dyan, sexy lang siya. 0931. Napakaganda naman ni candidate number 5. Palakpakan naman natin si candidate number 5. Candidate number 1, please prepare for your talent. Punta na po agad dito. Jewel is from Calipin, North Cabanatuan City. And she stands 5 foot, 5 feet, 9 inches tall. And she is doing a talent of MMA. And of course, his hobbies is playing volleyball and playing his scatter all the way. Palakpakan naman sa mga nagkano ng scatter dyan. Okay. And Aaron makes her happy pagpalto siya sa scatter. 10 times. Once again, candidate number 6, the beautiful Aaron Jewel De La Rosa. Palakpakan na po natin si candidate number 6. And she also known as Kiana with a K. Katalinuhan, kagandahan at corona. And she is from Bagong Sikat, Cabanatuan City. She stands 5 feet 4 inches tall. And she loves writing and dancing. Once again, give her an applause to candidate number 7, Kiana with a K. And she also known as Yumi Ortiz from Barangay Baquero, Cabanatuan City. She stands 5 feet and 5 inches tall. And she loves art. A Korean boy. She loves a Korean boy. loves playing badminton. Once again, the sexy, beautiful Miss Yumi Ortiz.
Super Serena.
Candidate number 1, please proceed here for your talent competition. Once again, give a round of applause to candidate number 3.
Napawakis pala.
I'm not a stranger to the dark. This is me.
Po ibahagi sa ating lahat na kailanman hindi kasarian ang makapagdidikta ng ating kakayahan at kalakasan. Maraming salamat po.
Let's proceed. It'll be a sexy Italian number.
Here we go. Let's get loud. Let's get loud. Turn the music up. Let's do it. Come on, people. Let's get loud. Let's get loud. Turn the music up to hear that sound. Let's get loud. Let's get loud. Ain't nobody gotta tell you what you gotta do. If you wanna live your life, live it all the way and not to waste it. Feeling that beat can be so very sweet, you gotta taste it. It's the party, make it hot. Dance, don't ever stop, whatever rhythm. Every minute, every day, take them all the way. You gotta live them, 'cause I'ma live my life. Let's get loud, let's get loud. Turn the music up to hear that sound. Let's get loud, let's get loud. Ain't nobody gotta tell you what you gotta do.
Now, final candidate number 4.
It's just a party, baby, come on. Let's get loud. Let's get loud. Let's get loud. Get Life is meant to be fun and not
Thank you so much, candidate number.
Channeling all little magic. It's a talent that I always had possessed. Lately be so fly. Use it on behalf of those who's only depressed. Pathetic, poor unfortunate souls in pain, in need. This one longing to be thinner. That one wants to get the girl, and do I help them? Yes, indeed. Those poor unfortunate souls, so sad, so true. They come flocking to my cauldron, crying, powers of a please, and do I help them? Yeah, I do. Now it happened to once or twice, so I couldn't have an earpiece, and I'm afraid I had to rake across the floor. Sure, the all complaints, but in a whole of them I saved. To those poor unfortunate souls, you got your looks, your pretty face, and never underestimate the power of your body language. Man up there, go like a lot of black
a girl who gossip isn't born. Sure, land is much fearful, it is not to say a word. And after all, this one is I don't plan for. Come on, learn not to have impressed with conversation. True gentlemen avoid it if they can. They don't through the phone. Well, the lady who's withdrawn, and she rolls her compliments her man. Come on, yo, poor unfortunate souls. Take your choice. I'm a very busy woman and I've been out all day. It won't cost much. Just your voice. You poor unfortunate soul. So sad, but true. If you wanna cross the bridge, must be you gotta be the troll. Take a go, take a bet, and go ahead and sign the scroll. Flood some jets on better boys. The boss is on the road. To your poor, unfortunate soul.
Alright, tingnan naman tayo ng candidate number 5 sa Broadway World na
Pabuksan ko po ang inyong puso't isipan sa aking munting talento, musika, maestro. Bangka, saan ka nga ba nagmula? Ang buhay ng isang tao ay parang isang bakla. Sasabi ka lang sa agos nito, patungo sa rurok ng iyong tagumpay. Sa ating mga kababayan na nasalita ng bagyo, muting isang bangka lamang ang transportasyon para sila ay makasalba sa kanilang buhay. Ang bangka ang nagsilbing gabay o malalaman ba nila kung sila pa ba ay mabubuhay o mamamatay na sa ating naging trahedya. Sa ating mundong ginagalawan, dapat nating pakakatandaan na dapat iingatan natin ang dapat ng araw-araw nating pamumuhay. At mga minamahal kong manonood, isang bahay na binubuo ng ating mga mahal na magulang, ang nanay at ang tatay. At alam po ba natin, lagi mo natin pakakatandaan na kailanman lagi nating mamahalin ang ating mga ina at itay. Ako po, si Aaron Jewel de la Rosa Gikan, taga Caligid Norte. Ako po ay wala na pong magulang. Nag-iisa lamang po akong anak. At ako po ay 6 na taon na pong patuloy na nangangarap at patuloy na nagtatrabaho para maitaguin po aking sarili. Kaya minamahal ko mga kabataan, hanggat nabubuhay inyong mga magulang, ang inyong nanay at tatay, haggan at yakapin at pasalamatan natin sila. Dahil kailanman hindi natin masasabi kung hanggang kailan kukunin sila ng buong may kapal. At eto po ay isang damit po na sumisimbolo sa pagmamahal ng ating mga magulang. Dinamitan po nila tayo. Pinag-aral, binihisan, at tinuruan po ng mabuting asal. Tayong mga kabataan, ako po ay napunta po sa lungsod ng Cabanatuan. Maraming mga kabataan na nakikita ko ng mga musmos at mga gutay-gutay na pananamit. Bakit tayong mga nasa taas? Hindi natin makita ang mga taong nasa laylayan. Daing tayo ng daing. Hingi tayo ng hingi sa ating mga magulang ng bagong damit. Hindi ba natin nakikita na ibang kabataan ay namumulot ng basura upang makakita ng isang basahang na damit na sa pamamagitan ng pagkita nila, matawag po nila itong isang bagong damit kahit ito'y guhit-guhit at bahid-bahid. At eto po ay isang baril. Baril na sumisimbolo po sa ating mga kapulisan at mga sundalo. Saludo po ako sa inyo mga sir at ma'am dahil patuloy niyo pong pinaglalaban at pinagtatanggol ang ating bayan. Maraming salamat po. At lagi po natin tatandaan sa dami ng habak at sa dami ng hinamak natin na trahedya sa buhay, bigati, sakit at mga pinagdaanan, huwag po tayo makakalimot sa ating poong may kapal. Dahil no matter what happened in our society, there have only one God. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, candidate number 6, for your heart-melting talent. And now,
Sabi ko pagka gumigil
Mahusay. Teka na gymnastic yung ate ko.
Habang may tatsulok at sila ang nasa tuktok, di matatapos itong gulo. Bilisan mo ang takbo. Ilagan mga bombang nakatutok sa ulo mo. Toto'y tumalon ka, tumapa kung kailangan, at baka tamaan pa ng mga bala. Ligaw. Toto'y makinig ka, huwag kang magpagabi. Baka pagkamalat ka, tumangdusay dyan sa tabi. Toto'y alam mo ba kung ano ang punot-dulo ng di matapos-tapos na kaguluhan ito? Hindi ulat dilaw, tunay na magkalaban. Ang kulay at tatak ay di siyang dahilan. Hanggat marami ang lubog sa kahirapan, at ang hustisya ay para lang sa mayaman. Habang may tagsulok at sila ang nasa tuktok, di matatapos itong gulo. Isang hininga kay aming mga tao, at ang dating munting bukid ngayon sementeryo. Toto'y kumilos ka, balik na rin ang tatsulok, tulad ng dukha na ilagay mo sa buto. Hindi ulat dilaw, tunay na magkalaban. Ang kulay at tatak ay di siyang dahilan. Hanggang marami ang lubog sa kahirapan, at ang hustisya ay para lang sa mayaman. Habang may tagsulok at sila ang nasa tuktok, di matatapos itong gulo. Habang may tagsulok at sila ang nasa tuktok, di matatapos, hindi matatapos, hindi matatapos itong gulo.
Thank you so much, candidate number 8. And before we give and candidate number 1 believes that being unique is better than being perfect. Once again, please give her an applause to candidate number 1, Diana Salvador. And candidate number 2 believes that failure is the best teacher. Once again, please give her an applause to candidate number 2, Trisha. And she believes that kailangan respetuhin ng bawat isa dahil tayo ay pantay-pantay. Once again, candidate number 8, Yumi Ortiz.
Makausap ang Pangulo ng ating bansa, which is President Marcos. Ano ang nais mong sabihin sa kanya at bakit? Once again, kung bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon na makausap ang Pangulo ng ating bansa, ano ang nais mong sabihin sa kanya at bakit?
So, thank you for the wonderful question. For me, if I had the chance to talk to Bongbong Marcos, I would say that pass the SOSG bill. Because we know that we LGBT we are difficulty, we have hardship in this society, in this community. And I want him to know that we LGBT needs to be accepted 100% because we also a human. We need the support of our government to be our success. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much, candidate number 1. And now, let's go on candidate number 2.
Ayan, papatanggal ko ng kababatiin. Salamatan mo muna yung mga tao sumuporta sa iyo.
Thank you sa handler ko dyan.
Sino yung handler mo?
Si Mami Deo.
Hello, Mami Dale. How are you? Ah, si Dale. Kumakit din. Ayan. Are you ready? Okay, ready na siya? You may now pick your question.
Paldo!
First, your question. Sa iyong palagay, tama bang iwanan ng mga magulang ang kanilang anak kapalit ng perang kikitain sa ibang bansa para sa kanilang magandang kinabukasan at bakit? Uulitin ko, sa iyong palagay, tama bang iwanan ng mga magulang ang kanilang anak kapalit ng perang kikitain sa ibang bansa para sa kanilang magandang kinabukasan?
Thank you. Para po sa akin, maraming ang OFW na nagsasakripisyo sa ibang bansa para gumanda ang kanilang buhay. Hindi natin alam kung anong pinagdadaanan ng mga tao na nagsasakripisyo sa ibang bansa upang matusdusan kung ano ang mga pangangailangan. Kung tayo ang tatanungin natin ng magulang natin, hindi din nila gusto dahil ayaw nilang malayo sa kanilang pamilya. Pero dahil sa hirap ng buhay, kailangan natin makipagsapalaran sa ibang bansa nang gumanda ang ating buhay. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much. And of course, second question natin ang OFW. Okay, candidate number 3. Ayan, how are you, candidate number 3?
Actually, I am nervous.
Ayan, kinakabahan. Bigyan mo na para matanggal yung kaba daw ni candidate number 3. Palagpakan na si candidate number 3. Pasalamatan mo muna yung mga supporters, yung mga pamilya mong nanood sa iyo ngayong gabi na to.
Ayun, first I would like to thank my family who are here to support me, and of course, my friends here. Ayan, sila Kuya Kevin. Thank you so much sa lahat ng tao na sumusuporta sa akin dito. Ayan, maraming salamat.
Alright, candidate number 3, you may now pick your question. And I will read it for you. Okay, your question is, kung bibigyan ka ng pagkakataong magkaroon ng posisyon o mamuno o maging leader ng isang kinikilalang grupo, saang ahensya o anong posisyon ang iyong nais at bakit? Uulitin ko, kung bibigyan ka ng pagkakataong magkaroon ng posisyon o mamuno o maging leader ng isang kinikilalang grupo, saang ahensya o anong posisyon ang iyong nais at bakit?
Actually, for your information, I was the president of the Middle East Student Council, which is a school where students are male-dominated. So, I am here today because I would like to make an impact. So, if I will give a chance to choose on what organization to becoming a leader, I would still choose to be the president of my community, which is I will create an organization here in this barangay because I would like to start and to extend my capacity as a leader. Because being a leader is a responsibility and an honor. If I know to myself that I cannot afford to cater the needs of our community, I will not choose a bigger or mas malaki pong pwesto. So I would choose to become a president here in this community first. Of course, to have an experience, to learn from my colleagues, of course, from every one of you. So this organization that I will be making is all about beyond boundaries, a world without gender limits. I would like to focus on my advocacy, which is to create and to foster a world where everyone can express themselves. I want to redefine the gender norms in our society. Maraming salamat po.
How are you for the number 4?
Ano na nga yung sagot?
Wala po akong alam din. Yes. Okay. Magpasalamat ka naman sa mga tumulong sa iyo sa gabing ito.
So first and foremost, I would like to thank to my handler, Mami Gems, and to Mami Fairly and Mami Eman, and to my family who are watching out there. Thank you.
Thank you so much din kay Eman. Yung magaling mag-heard si Eman. And now, you may now pick your question. Asan ba si Eman? Anong pagkakataong maging isang mambabatas? Ano ang unang panukalang batas ang iyong nais ipatubad at bakit? Kung bibigyan ka ng pagkakataong maging isang mambabatas, ano ang unang panukalang batas ang iyong itutupad at bakit?
Well, ladies and gentlemen, for the knowledge of everyone, SOGI bill are not approved here in the Philippines, right? But for me, the law that I will ipapatupad dito sa ating Pilipinas ay yun pa rin, sapagkat yun po ay hindi pa na-approvean ngayon. Marahil, mga minamahal kong hurado at manonood, lalong-lalo na sa mga kalalakihan at kababaihan, maraming hindi approved sa sinasabi nating SOGI bill. SOGI bill is Sexual Orientation and Gender Identity and Expression. Ang akala ho ng lahat, specifically the boys and girls, this law is just for the LGBTQ community. But kung paglilinawan ho natin ang ating mga kaisipan, ito ho ay para sa ating lahat. Hindi lamang para sa aming LGBTQ community, but also to the men and women out there. This law is nagpapatunay na dapat lamang hindi mga bakla o tomboy lamang ang nirerespeto. Bagkus, kasama doon ang mga kalalakihan at kababaihan. After all, kung ako ho ay magiging mambabatas, I will approve the SOGI bill. No more, no less. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 4.
First of all, I would like to grab this opportunity to thank all of these people from Barangay Bangad. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. It is evident na maraming sumusuporta sa parte ng LGBTQIA+ community here sa barangay nyo. Kudos po sa mga parte ng gobyerno dito. And to my families and friends, especially to my handler, Trixie Cortez Sitanco, thank you so much for making me beautiful tonight.
Ayon ka ba sa same-sex marriage at bakit? Once again, sang-ayon ka ba sa same-sex marriage at bakit?
Thank you. I would like to go directly to the point. In this world dominated by a lot of things that we don't know what are the boundaries or what we call violence, let us always remember that there are two laws existing.
the divine law of God and the constitutional law here in our land, or the law of mankind. If you were to ask me if I'm in favor of same-sex marriage being passed here in the Philippines, I must say that no. Even though I am part of the LGBTQIA+ community, I am a solid Roman Catholic. Though I do not agree in the same-sex marriage, but I do agree on what we call same-sex union. It is different. Let us not, wag nating pakialamanan ang kung ano man ang paniniwala ng iba, bagkus lamang ito ay sagrado. Tayo ay maniwala sa ating mga kakayahan. Dahil kapag naipasa ang same-sex union, there's a lot of things na maraming maaaring mangyari, especially when it comes to medical health. Medical health is very important. Kapag ikaw ay isang parte ng LGBTQIA+ community at ikaw ay hindi kasal o walang kahit anumang titulo na nakakapagbuklod sa iyong partner, wala kang karapatan sa medical health. That is just one example when we are not going to pass this law. So I must say, as a conclusion, I do not agree of passing the same-sex marriage, but I want to have same-sex union. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 5. And now, next in line is candidate number 6. Ayan. Ayan, paldo ba, paldo? Wala kang puhunan. Bibigyan tayo puhunan mamaya. Ay, batiin mo naman yung mga supporters at mga tumulong sa'yo dyan.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank my friends over there, my relatives, and especially to my makeup artist, Mama Francis Rigua, and Madam Roy Fermin for my wardrobe. Thank you so much.
Gamit ng contraceptives at bakit? Once again, pabor ka ba sa paggamit ng mga contraceptives at bakit?
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, pumapabor po ako sa paggamit ng controversial pills. Bakit? Sa hirap po ng pamumuhay, dapat po natin pinag-aaralan kung paano po natin aalagaan ang ating mga anak. Sa hirap po ng buhay, dapat po pinaplano natin yan. Dapat tayo ay may family planning. Dahil mga minamahal kong manonood, ang hindi naman po talagang magulang ang nahihirapan, ang mismong mga anak. Dahil ang mga magulang, hindi ko po nilalahat, pero hindi po lahat ng mga magulang ay may magagandang trabaho. Kaya dapat po nating pag-isipang mabuti dahil lagi po natin pakatatandaan. Sabi po sa Latin word, hagaas doke, hagaas porsoy. Whatever you do for today is always be a reflection for your tomorrow. Good evening.
Thank you so much, candidate number 6. Ay, tama bang ipakasal ang magulang ang magkasintahan dahil ang babae ay nabuntis lang at bakit? Sa iyong palagay, tama bang ipakasal ng magulang ang magkasintahan dahil ang babae ay nabuntis lang at bakit?
Thank you so much for the question, ladies and gentlemen, mga minamahal kong manonood at mga hurado. Bago po sagutin ang katanungan iyan, nais ko muna kayong batiin ng isang magandang gabi. Sang-ayon nga daw ba ako na pumayag yung mga magulang na ipakasal yung babae dahil lang nabuntis? Well, hindi po. Dahil naniniwala po ako na kapag nabuntis ka at nasa minor de edad ka pa, ay hindi ka nararapat na ikasal. Dahil sa aking paniniwala, ang pagpapakasal ay dapat ang pundasyon ay pagmamahal at halinga sa ating mga kababaihan. At naniniwala po ako na I deeply admire women's strength and resilience even they are living in a misogynistic society. I honestly want to understand how women lead, thrive, and make powerful decisions in a world that often limits their potential. Now we can see women excelling in male-dominated fields such as leadership, science, and sports. And for me, that is truly inspiring. And I believe na hindi po dapat nararapat na ikasal ang babae dahil nabuntis lamang po. Dahil po,
Thank you so much, candidate number 7. Miyembro ng LGBTQ community, paano mo na iahadel ang ilang panlalait at pagsasabi ng hindi maganda ng ibang tao sa iyong sarili at bakit? Bilang miyembro ng LGBTQ community, paano mo na i-handle ang ilang panlalait at pagsasabi ng hindi maganda ng ibang tao sa iyong sarili at bakit?
Maraming salamat po sa napakagandang katanungan. Nakaranas din po ako syempre ng mga pangungutya, salot, ganun. Tapos sasabihin nila na wala kang mararating sa buhay. Pero simula pa po nung bata ako, syempre po sa unang masakit. Pero nung habang lumawak na po ng lumawak ang PAM ng LGBTQ, syempre po naganahan po ako at nabigyan po ako ng lakas ng loob para ipakita ko rin po sa kanila na kaya ko po na ipakita sa inyo kung ano yung talento ko, kung ano yung kaya ko, kung ano yung pagmamalaki ko sa ibang tao, at syempre sa magulang ko. Thank you po.
Candidate number 4.
Corporate Awards.
Nandiyan ba si Sir Jojo?
Candidate number 4.
Sir Jojo, where are you?
Dito pa rin sa Miss Gay Bangad 2025 sa Cabanatuan City.
Next award is Miss Personal Collection.
Kasama natin dito sa audience sila, Sir Gavin. Hello. Tama, tagabangan. Siyempre.
Kuya, ito pa naman sa mukha ko.
Miss Personal Collection is candidate number... Candidate number 2.
Ay, ayun.
Asan po si Sir Jojo? Konsihan Jojo Pardo, where are you? Okay, SK. Next award is Miss Friendship. To be awarded by SK. SK Kelly.
Friendship daw.
Miss Friendship to be awarded once again by SK again. Candidate number 1.
Walang friends.
Next award is Darling of the Crowd to be awarded by SK Mitch. Judge Mitch.
Starting up the crowd. Saan na kaya?
The darling of the crowd is obviously candidate number 3. To be awarded by Sean Jocelyn. People's Choice Award is once again candidate number 3. Miss Feminine Look is you are the Miss Feminine Look candidate number 2.
Bangad, Cabanatuan City.
Next award is to be awarded by Sir Ricky is Best in Rampa. The best in ramp is candidate number 3. Po ang point tuition photography. Point and shot photography po sila. And now, you may now show the picture of Miss Photogenic. Who is Miss Photogenic? Miss Photogenic is... Pakinggan niyo po sa candidate. Okay, the prize will be given to you after the pageant. Pakihanap na lang po si Sek Kati mamaya, hindi pa po na-prepare. The best in casual is candidate number 4. Next award by Ma'am Mitch. The best in national costume. The best in national costume is candidate number 4. And of course, I would like to call on candidate number 2, Miss Personal Selection. Please claim your gift box. Susan silang bata po ang mga dito kami sa gitna para sa picture. And next award is the best in talent. You are the best in talent. Candidate number to be awarded by Ma'am Mitch. Ma'am Mitch.
Number 3.
Who is your bet for best in talent? Candidate number 3. Sir Ricky. Sir Ricky, the best in swimsuit is candidate number 4. And Lazarard is the best in long gown. To be awarded by Sir Joel. The best in long gown is candidate number 5. Alright. Konting-konti na lang, pumipirma na lang po sa ating mga judges and we will announce the top 3. Candidate reminder. Basahin niyo po. Candidates, pag natawag kayo sa top 3, you will proceed at the stage. Doon po tayo magka-question and answer.
They will now choose the top 3 finalists.
The top 3 candidate
Sa
number.
Miss Gay Bangad 2025 dito sa Cabanatuan
Candidate
City.
number 5.
Top 3.
Okay, you may now proceed to the stage.
Pasok ka sa camping seat. Kinakabahan na sila, Sir
Next
Kevin.
is your candidate number. Candidate number 4. Where she is candidate number 4. Question back. Your is candidate number. Isa pa. You're right, candidate number 3. You did great, guys. But definitely sa ganitong competition, meron talagang nananalo at medyo may natatalo. And saan po sila mag-i-stay, Seth?
Oh, maganda rin yun eh. Ay, maganda ka. Oh, ano, maganda umiyak ko. Sobrang ganda mo. Deserve niya rin na makapasok eh, no? Oo. Better luck next
Okay,
time.
sa lahat po ng equipo na nakapasok sa top.
Ayun, I feel great kasi this is my first time joining in this competition. Ayun, and I think I am doing my best naman po.
Yes, ang kita-kita naman po natin ginawa ni Indonesia. Sino ang nasisiyahan sa performance ni candidate number 3?
Yes.
And once again, ano yung ini-expect mo ngayong nakapasok ka sa top 3? You are aiming pa rin ba sa title or kahit anong slot na masaya ka na?
Ayun, for me, to do my best and ayun, yung, of course, yung cause ko on joining this pageant. Ituloy tayo, laban.
Laban lang. Laban na laban si Bridget Snow. Palakpakan naman natin si candidate number 3.
Ganda lang.
So, mag-Q&A tayo without mic na parang.
Laban.
So, medyo lakasan mo lang ng konti yung voice mo para maintindihan din ng judges. Judges, once again,
Para si Queen
paalala
Baraya na.
mo medyo tatlo lang naman po sila. Pwede po bang 80 ang lowest, 100 ang highest? Para walang bagsakan masyado, walang ano. Okay?
Go.
Okay na po ba? Okay na po ba si yung candidate number 4 at si number 5? Nasa malayo na po ba sila?
Andito sila, Sir
Nasa Laguna
Kevin.
na po.
Sila Kelsey.
Ay, kabubang lang. Okay na daw po ba? Hello, Sir Eldrian. Bawal ang chismosa, ha? Walang magbubulong ng tanong.
Kitang-kita tayo sa vlog, Paris.
Okay, once again po, hihingi po ako ng katahimikan para po maintindihan niya ang kanyang tanong at maintindihan niyo rin po ang kanyang sagot. Hanggat hindi po tapos sumagot ng mga candidates, wala muna pong papalak dahil wala po tayong mic na gagamitin. Okay? Asa na po ang sinyales na ready na po?
Would be my first success in this competition. I would win this crown. I believe that I am an effective advocate in our community because many people have believed in my capabilities in influencing, in promoting my advocacy, and of course, my purpose in joining this pageant. I believe that I would win this crown and I have the upper hand on winning this round because I am a confident leader. My experience made me strong enough to rise despite the challenges that I am facing, despite the criticism that the people are throwing on me. I believe that I should win this pageant to promote that LGBTQIA+ is stronger than anyone could thought of. Maraming salamat.
Candidate number 4, please. Wala pong lalapit kay candidate number 4. Alright. Paalala lamang po sa mga naglalaro po ng basketball dyan. Sa mga maghiyawan dyan. Candidate number 4.
Sino ba inspiration mo? Mama? Ay, mama ba yan? Ang galing mo, proud of you. Okay, thank you for joining. Manalo. Okay lang. Ay, manalo ka, mas okay. Ay, gabi. Hindi, okay, thank you. Mas kaya lang umiyak yung number 8. Doon ako, di ba kumove on? Grabe kayo. Ay, niloloko ko kanina ni Kalo. Oo, hindi man lang binigyan ng corporate award eh. Ito mga fan ng Kapimpin Brothers. Kami rin. Pawis na pawis kami. Grabe na. Ay, nasaan na? Naglalakad? Ito. Sino yun?
Napaka-jogger na lang yung
Tingnan natin yung mga kami.
Candidate number 4, where are you?
Pilit.
Ito. Yo!
Hajeline, huwag na maingay dyan, Hajeline. Alright, candidate number 4 is over.
Nakainit.
Okay, your question is from Chairman of the Board of Governors, Sir John.
Nakaibong mundo. Ay, sorry. Uy, wala na maingay. Shh.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am deserving to win the Miss Gay Bangad 2025 one because I have these three qualities. First is I have a purpose. Second is I have experience. And third is I have a platform. These three works together and make a meaningful Miss Gay Bangad 2025. Purpose to fulfill, experience to share with other people, and platform to raise some such awareness and advocacies and concerns. And I believe I am that woman. Good evening.
Thank you so much, candidate number 4. And now, let's welcome
Yung Q&A nila hindi ginagamitan ng mic para hindi marinig ng candidate. Pero siya na yung last candidate. baka mapasyabi mo nagpapanchat mo ng mic. Talaga pong walang mic. Ulungan na.
Mahirap.
Oo. Bulungan lang po ang tanong. Dito pa rin tayo sa Miss Gay Bangad 2025 dito sa Cabanatuan City. Kakaibang kanilang Q&A. Hindi ginamitan ng mic yung final question. May mga special guest tayo dito sa sila Sir Gaby, si Kelsey, si Allen. Ayan.
And when I'm doing that, I know they're being happy. I am a firm believer of happiness is the greatest blessing.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Ayun na. And you may now take a rest, girls.
Farewell walk ng first runner-up dito sa Miss Gay Bangad. She was the Miss Gay Bangad 2024 first runner-up. Isasali na ang corona sa Miss Gay 2025.
Our Miss Gay Bangad 2023 title holder,
2023
Jimwal
pala.
John Agustin.
Correction, 2023 Queens.
Jasper, wala mo nakaalis.
I stood on this glamorous stage filled with hope, excitement, and a heart full of dreams. Tonight, I stand before you once more this time, not to be crowned, but as a leader and as an inspiration, to pass on a legacy that goes beyond beauty, glitter, or sash. I am here to pass on a voice, a mission, and a purpose. Being Miss Gay Bangad 2023 has been one of the greatest gifts of my life. But more than the title, what made this journey meaningful was the chance to use this platform to advocate for something I deeply believe in, which is the education. As someone who has faced judgment, limitations, and stereotypes just for being who I am, I know the power of education to break walls and build bridges. I have always believed that education is the only treasure that cannot be taken away from us because it opens up our minds, softens our hearts, provides opportunities, and gives wings to those who have told that they can fly. These past years, I carried this advocacy with pride. I worked as an educator, assigned and worked with different schools as a student teacher, and shared my story with students like me who just needed someone to be reminded that they really matter and that they are important and enough in this society. To the youth of Bangad, especially to my LGBTQ brothers, sisters, and siblings, never let anyone make you feel unworthy of learning, growing, or dreaming. Your identity should never be a barrier to your success. You deserve to be seen, heard, and educated fully and freely. As you all still remember, I once aspired to be a servant of our barangay. I ran for a position as one of the members of Sangguniang Kabataan, and unfortunately, I didn't win. But let me all tell you this. I gained something far greater than a seat. I gained strength, courage, smiles, hope, and hearts of the people around me, which inculcates that I am already a winner. And the deeper understanding of what it truly means to serve. Losing the election did not end my purpose.
It inspired me to take another run for the next election, and it only made it clearer that leadership is not defined by position, but by action. And though I may not have been elected, I will always be a voice and open to serve the youth in the needs of time. To our community leaders, thank you for believing that a beauty queen can also be a voice for change. Thank you for opening doors, for listening, and for supporting the vision that education is not just for some, but for all. And now, to the next queen, whoever wins tonight, remember that the true weight of this crown lies not in its sparkle, but in its purpose. Wear it with courage, with kindness, and with the desire to serve your people. As I pass on this crown, I carry no sadness, but only gratitude in my heart. Because with every rain that ends, the mission continues. And I will keep on fighting for a world where learning knows no gender, no judgment, and no limits. Thank you, Bangad, for allowing me to be your queen, not just in title, but in service. Again, this is Jimul Janji Agustin, your Miss Gay Super Serena 2023, and I thank you.
Like I would like to call on Jasper. The Sangguniang Barangay prepared a certificate of appreciation and grateful recognition of his service.
Awarding the 5th princess.
The 5th princess is candidate number.
You know the roof on fire. We go boogie, hoogie, hoogie, jiggle, wiggle, and dance. Like the roof on fire.
The 5th princess is candidate number 1. Kaya wala na tayong bakit close na po yung sounds. To be awarded by SK. The first runner-up is Ma'am Syra and Sir Ricky. And runner-up is candidate number Candidate number 3. Okay, girls, listen. Congratulations, not bad for the first timer. Candid Beauty Queen, may madami pang koronang iuwi sa mga susunod pang competition. Thank you so much, Ma'am Jocelyn and Ma'am Mitch. Okay, candidate, listen. Ang unang tatawagin ko is yung title. Listen, candidates. Ang unang tatawagin ko yung title, pero ang unang po forward is the first runner-up to be award at may iiwan muna sa likod si title. Okay? And Sir Joel, and please proceed na rin po tayo sa stage para dire-diretso na. Dahil ang unang tatawagin ko is... Okay, ang unang tatawagin ko, listen guys ha, ang unang tatawagin ko ay yung title. Miss K Bangad 2025 is candidate number... Your Miss K Bangad 2025 is candidate number... Your lucky tonight, Miss K Bangad 2025 is candidate number... Once again, maraming salamat po. And of course, we would like to thank Sangguniang Barangay once again. Salamat po sa pag-anyaya sa akin ngayong gabing ito. And you are the Miss K Bangad 2024 candidate number... Number 4! And the first runner-up is candidate number 5. And please proceed the first runner-up. Okay, our Miss K Bangad have the average of 97.8. And our first runner-up is 97. And the second runner-up is 94.2. So sa lahat po ng may questions, sa lahat po ng may mga tanong, you may proceed to our tabulation, our SK Treasurer, lahat po ay detalye at lahat ay permeado. So once again, thank you so much. Thank you Secretary for inviting me once again. Thank you so much Barangay Bangad. Thank you people of Bangad. Once again, ingat po kayo sa pag-uwi. God bless everyone.